Hello friends, I am Kesav Murthy. In this video, we look at a job opportunity for Indians. Now, this area is called cyber security jobs in India as well as all over the world. Now, during this pandemic, the cyber crimes has grown by 600%. Due to various reasons, the cyber crimes have been spread almost all over the industry, and because of which there are about 30 lakh cyber security jobs unfilled as on date all over the world. In that, about 10 lakh jobs are available in India, and salary for these jobs range from 4 lakhs per annum to almost 200 lakhs per annum, that is 2 crores per annum. And candidates of any age with some exposure to computers can enter into this job market. Of course, people, candidates with engineering background and with computer background, they get, they are preferred in this particular industry. So let us look at this particular thing in this sheet. Okay, now let us look at what are the various jobs available in the market. The top 5 cybersecurity jobs are: one is application development security. That is the topmost job available for in the cybersecurity area. Second job is called cloud security. Third is termed as threat intelligence. And fourth is compliance and controls. And fifth is data privacy and security. These are the 5 topmost jobs available in cyber security areas. Other than this, there are 15 other jobs. Let us look at next 5 jobs. One is network security engineer or officer, access management, security strategy and governance, health information security, and the 10th job is incident response. So this is given in this sheet of paper. Okay, there are another 10 more jobs are available. Let's look at the title of those jobs. One is antivirus security administration. Second is desktop security analysis, security auditor, firewall engineer, security test engineer, security architect, cyber security manager, or in short is called CS manager, chief information security officer. This is the topmost post in security, cyber security job, where the salary levels are about 2 crore per annum. Routers, switches, VPNs maintenance, database security administration, and storage security officer. This is given in this sheet of paper. So students fresh from college or experienced in some other area who wants to switch over the jobs in the areas related to IT, they can look at this particular field called cyber security jobs. They can undergo a certificate course for about 6 months to 1 year, and then gain the knowledge on that particular field, and then they can enter into the job market. There are many institutes is providing certificate programs on various titles. So one can Google it and find out which is the relevant area for you, and which is the best institute and the cost effective institute for giving that particular course, and then you can take those training and then enter the job market. Even experienced people of the age around 40-45 can also look into this area, even if they have not worked in computer area. If they know how to operate a computer, and then if they want to take a transformation of their career, they can look at this cyber security jobs. I hope this video is useful to you. In case you find it very useful, you can share it with your friends, and then you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.